I want to tell you a little story. This is very common with all of us. When we are young and once our parents start to introduce Quran in our lives, we are 7, 8. Even at that time, there is an urge in our mind. I want to learn Arabic. Okay, there's an urge. But then you are still very young. When you become 12, 13, okay, then you say, I have a dream. And what is that dream? I want to learn Arabic. Okay, but then you are too busy with your soccer game and with your television and sometimes, going out, okay? You never fulfill that dream. Then you become 17, 18-year-old, 19-year-old. You still say to yourself, I have a dream. And what is that dream? That I want to learn Arabic. But now you are young. Maybe somebody will steal your heart. And then you get into that chakar. You like somebody and then, your parents will let you marry. And then you marry. Or you will go to university and you are very busy in university. You have no time. Because we must have a secular education too. The best of it. We should be doctors and engineers and lawyers. It is very important for us. So what will you say? I have a dream, but I am too busy. And then, brother, there is a lineup of children. Now you got more responsibility. You are working. It's so hard on you. Still you will say, I have a dream. Never fulfills. And then later on, you are 45, 50, now your children are getting married. Too much responsibility. The pressure of the job. You say, I'm so busy. I don't know where my day starts and where it ends. I have no clue. But you say, I have a dream. But then we become Buddha. We become old. And we say, my mind is weak now, I find everything so hard. But you still say, I have a dream. I want to learn Arabic. But you are only saying, I have a dream, I want to learn Arabic. And then one day, Malkut Maut will come. The day he wants to take your soul, you say, I have a dream. The Malkut Maut will say, too late. You had your time, you didn't use it. So now people take you to the graveyard. There's a hole there, and they put you in your permanent abode till you are called up by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Still the voice comes from there. What is that voice? I have a dream. And then the malaika next to you are sitting, shut up now. Time is over. So this is our story, brother. We have the dream, but we don't do anything. We got to do it. Alhamdulillah, you have all come here to fulfill your dreams. And Allah will bless you. We will work hard. May Allah bless you with your dreams, Truly speaking, for me it was a dream to learn Arabic so that I can understand Quran. So it will be your turn now to fulfill your dreams. So my point is, young sisters, young brother, work hard. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't be swayed and carried away by television programs or friends. All of them should stay on one side till you finish the course. And then after you finish the course, you can go out with your friends and enjoy a little bit. But right now, work, 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 work. Nothing else. I hope you will remember this example, because this is the part of our life. It happens. Okay? The time slips from your hand, Inshallah, we'll hold it this time.